everyone. I don't even know what to say. Everyone must already know that Peter Cullen unfortunately passed away yesterday. And it sucks, bro. I really enjoyed his role as Brian. It was my childhood. Therefore, I would like to send my prayers to his family and let him rejoin the Matrix and the stars. Rest in peace, Cullen.